Hi everyone. Today, we'll walk through how to create and configure a ledger in Kitaabh, and more importantly, how each setting actually impacts your accounting and compliance. Go to the ledger creation screen. Now here's the smart part in Kitaabh. You don't need to manually enter all details. Simply enter the GST identification number and click on autofill. Kitaabh will automatically fetch and populate the ledger name, GST registration type, PAN, and business address. This saves time and eliminates manual errors. Now comes the most important part, configuration. First, the Features tab. Enable Maintain Bill by Bill. This helps track outstanding invoices. Set credit period. For example, 30 days, and also set the credit limit, say 1,50,000. Enable Cost Center if you want departmental tracking. You can also define price list and currency. This section controls how your ledger behaves in real transactions. Next, the Fields tab. Here you can enable or disable alias, description, TAN, and IEC code. This keeps your form clean and relevant to your business. Now, let's automate follow-ups. Go to Reminders. Enable Auto Send Reminders. You can configure email, WhatsApp, and timing before or after due date. This means no more manual follow-ups. Now, configure tax applicability. Start with TDS. Enable TDS and select Residential Status, Deductee Type, and add payment nature like contractor payments under 194C. You can also configure lower deduction certificates. Kitaabh will automatically calculate TDS during transactions. Next is MSME. Enter the registration type, Udyam number, and activity type. This helps track MSME compliance and payment deadlines. Now add business details. You can maintain multiple addresses, billing and shipping. Mark one as default. This is useful for GST place of supply and invoicing. Add bank account details such as account number, IFSC, and bank name. This helps in payments and reconciliation. Now set the opening balance. Enter the amount, select debit or credit, and you can also give bill-wise breakup. This ensures accurate tracking from day one. Enable related party if applicable. Define the relationship type and ownership percentage. This is important for audit disclosures. Finally, attach documents such as agreements, KYC, and supporting files. Everything stays linked to the ledger. So that's how you create a fully configured ledger in Kitaabh. Thanks for watching.